Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to blur your background in DaVinci Resolve 19. So let's get started by going to the Color tab, and we have our clip that we added to the timeline right over here, and now we have the nodes. We're going to right click on this node, and then we're going to go and click Add Node, and then Add Serial. Now that we added the serial, we're going to go down to the Window tab and click on Curve. Now we're going to trace the subject that we want to not blur, and this might take a second. Almost done. And now you want to make sure that you click on and connect these dots together. Now we're going to go over to the Tracking tab, click Play, so that we see what we're tracking. Now that that's done, we're going to go over back to the Node tab, right click on the second node, click on Add Node, Add Outside, and now we're going to go up to Effects, click on Gaussian Blur, and drop it into this third node. And now we can go back to our editing screen and see that we've successfully added a blur. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. Have a great day, guys.